we tackle burned out LED lights. There you go. As you can see, it's having issues. And its mate. You see about half of them aren't working. So today we're changing them out too. Nice new set. Inexpensive on Amazon. I bought 6 of them for, I believe, around $28. And they swivel, which is kind of nice. Sure they do. Trust me, they swivel. As you pull them down a little bit, you'll see they have a spring set on them. There you go. These little springs are what hold them up. And you pull a little bit more. You see the wiring harness? What we're going to do, we're just going to cut these off, attach the new one, and push it up into the ceiling. We'll be right back. Okay, we got the connections all done, all crimped. Very good. Let's see if it works. Alrighty. It's one bright light. Okay, we got them mounted. They are swivels. They work quite nice. Cast a nice light. We replaced the bedroom ones also. Much brighter. And you can push it out of your face because they tilt.